Friends, this is my butterfly variety young bougainvillea tree. I had mounted it on a rock around 5 years back, and since then I have been training it in this pot. In this weather it is full of blooms. You can see how beautiful those blooms look. The leaves of this variety are pretty small as compared to the normal bougainvilleas that you get, and the flowers are also comparatively tiny, so it's a perfect variety for bonsai. One thing I've noticed is this particular variety normally has some variegated leaves. You can see some of those variegated leaves. The leaves that do not receive much sun become variegated, but the leaves that are fully exposed to the sun turn green like this. So it gives a contrasting color to the overall tree, and the flowers and the bracts look beautiful. You can see the tree looks good from all the sides. Let me turn it the other way around and show you. This is a repeat bloomer, keeps blooming throughout the year. All we need to do is to keep trimming the tree from time to time and feed it. I keep it in full sun, as bougainvilleas are sun-loving trees, and also feed high potash fertilizer during the blooming season, and the tree keeps on producing these lovely blooms. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, please do comment and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your family and friends. And if you have any experience with bougainvillea butterfly variety, do share so that we can mutually learn with each other. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Have a great day.